Hello, today we're doing 1.7, missing addends. And today's the big day because the variable is back. We are talking again today about variables. The difference today is they're not going to be at the end of the problem, but they're going to be in the middle of a problem. Let me put a few up for us to try now. Okay, our first example here, I'm going to use some of our classmates here. So let's pretend like Gwen has 7 apples. Garrett has question mark apples. So if he has question mark, if we don't know, that's going to be the variable. The sum of the apples is 16. So if this were to look like a problem, it would be Gwen has 7 apples plus Garrett has question mark apples. We'll use the letter A for that. So 7 plus A. And the sum of both of their apples together, so Gwen's apples plus Garrett's apples, is 16. So we need to find out, how do we find out 7 plus A, Garrett's apples that we don't know, equals 16? The way we can do this is as follows. We can use subtraction. We'll use the opposite of that addition sign there. We'll use subtraction to find out. So we can actually subtract 7, or go 16 minus 7 will give us what A equals. And we know 16 minus 7 will give us 9, so we know A equals 9, or Garrett had 9 apples, and that's a 9 there. It's a little messy. I hope that makes sense. Let me put a couple more up for us to try, just the problems. Okay, our first example here, we have 7 plus B, and this is a B, not a 6. I tried to make it look the best I could like a B. So 7 plus B equals 11. We need to find out what this variable is, what this B, what number plus 7 equals 11. The way we can find that out is, again, just do subtraction. We'll subtract 7. 11 minus 7 will give us 4. So we know B has to equal 4. If we put that back into our original one, does 7 plus our 4 equal 11? If it does, we know 4 is correct and B equals 4. Let me try another one for subtraction now, see how we do. Okay, our next example here, 16 minus n, our variable n, equals 9. So 16 minus a number equals 9. To find that out, we need to find out what number minus 16 equals 9. On this one, what we can do is we can actually just go 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is 7, which will give us n. If we go 16 minus 7, does that give us 9? It does. So we know n equals 7. I hope this is making sense. I'm going to put 2 samples up there to try, and then we'll do more in class tomorrow after that. Okay, we have 2 examples here. Oh, email. 2 examples here. N plus 5 equals 14. So here we need to solve for n. And here, G minus 7 equals 2. So here we need to solve for the letter G. I'm going to go ahead and pause your video now, give those a try, and then I'll put the answers up on the screen in a second. Okay, let's see how you did. We're looking for some number, n plus 5 equals 14. If we were to use subtraction here to find our missing number, we could minus 5, and 14 minus 5 would give us 9. So you should have gotten n equals 9 for your first answer. Now let's look at the bottom one and solve for G. G minus 7 equals 2. Well, what number minus 7 equals 2? If I were to add 7 over here, 2 plus 7, I would get 9. Does 9 minus 7 equal 2? It does. So this one was also 9. G equals 9. Hopefully you understood that and did okay with it. We will practice more in class tomorrow when we meet. Have a great night, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.